carrying it still. I'm going to hold a piece of paper in front of a piece of tissue to show there's no wind blowing through there. No wind at all. Look, I'm holding a piece of tissue.
Yes,
front.
yeah. Yeah.
That's just me shaking. Hang on, I've got to put it there to prove that there's no wind blowing. No, I'll put it on there. Just there. We had huge underground explosions here in Farnborough last night. We believe this is the continuation of their drilling project, because there is as much below ground as there is above here.
Yes, and that's a fact. We've done it for years.
It's highly militarised area. Lots of
big black budget. Nice.
Yeah.
Sites everywhere.
Kinetic.
Yeah.
Formerly dearer.
Yeah.
We've been told, bought out by George Bush and the Carlyle Group, and we've been told by inside sources that there is as much below ground as there is above, and this is proof of further drilling activities. As I say, we hear huge explosions underground. There are cover explosions as well that they do, which is just basic gunfire and things like that. But these are deep booms underground. You can hear it, feel it, the rumbling. So if you can see that cat flap vibrating, this is the sort of thing we have day and night. All weathers, sunny or rain, doesn't matter. It happens. You see by that tissue, it's not blowing, it is not windy. It's a still day today. So, what else could it be apart from something underground? Earth tremors? We don't get earth tremors here. It's not a seismic area here, is it? No. Anything like that? No. Not to our knowledge.
No. There have been reports all over the Farnborough town and area, surrounding area, at times where greenhouse glass has broken. And even house glass years ago because of these huge underground.
That is just a piece of tissue put in front to prove there's no winds. Look. That's me moving the tissue just to show you.
They tried to tell us back in 1997 when we'd had God knows how many of these bangs and things that
they were doing testing jumbo jets for their resistancy to
IRA bombs.
But for the amount of explosions we've heard here, they would have had to have about 1,000 jumbo jets to have blown up on testing them.
Yeah, there's nothing on the airfield, nothing at all.